Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate using a Keurig machine. First, select your favorite hot chocolate K-cup pod. Next, make sure your Keurig's water reservoir is filled with fresh, cold water. This ensures the best taste and proper brewing. Finally, place your favorite mug on the drip tray, ready to catch your delicious beverage. Now, let's brew. Lift the handle and insert your chosen K-cup pod into the holder. Close the handle firmly. Then, select your preferred cup size. 8 or 10 ounces are common choices for a rich hot chocolate. Once you've made your selection, simply press the brew button and watch your Keurig work its magic, preparing a warm, comforting drink. After brewing, give your hot chocolate a good stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. This is where the fun begins. You can elevate your drink with toppings like fluffy marshmallows, a generous swirl of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. For a seasonal twist, try a sprinkle of cinnamon or a festive peppermint stick. Enjoy customizing your perfect cup. For the absolute best hot chocolate, always use filtered water. It makes a noticeable difference in taste. After enjoying your drink, it's a good practice to run a plain water cycle through your Keurig to keep it clean. Don't be afraid to explore different hot chocolate K-cup brands and flavors to discover your ultimate favorite. Happy sipping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.